This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the garlic pepper chicken McNuggets from McDonald's and their Peri Peri style sauce. McDonald's here in Germany has got the Mit Meckes um die Welt with McDonald's around the world theme, and they have released a couple of items that are country themed. The garlic pepper chicken McNuggets are, well, supposed to represent Japan as just one of several items that are supposed to represent Japan. And here we have the Peri Peri style sauce that is supposed to be representing South Africa. So today we are having a combo review of the chicken McNuggets, Japan style, and the sauce, South Africa style. Let us open up the package then. I've ordered the 5-pack. I bought this for €5 and 69 cents, both of these together. And yeah, they are, well, they're smelling different than well, the regular chicken McNuggets do. They smell, well, there is a chicken McNugget scent to them, of course, but there is also, I guess, a slight garlic scent to them too. I feel like scent-wise they are very appealing. Looks-wise, they are a bit darker than the regular chicken McNuggets are. Shape-wise, I suppose they are the exact same. We do have these little black spots on here, which are, I guess, well, which are hopefully pepper bits. You know, the shredded pepper bits. Yeah, I hope that is that, and not mold. Let us open up the Peri Peri style sauce and see what this is all about. It's a creamy chili sauce, it says here on the thing. Yeah, pause if you want to read any of that. Made in Germany. Chilies from the EU and non-EU. Wow. Let's open it up. Okay. Not necessarily what you would expect a chili sauce to look like. Well, not what I would expect a chili sauce to look like. This is looking almost like cream cheese. Yeah. Okay. Scent-wise, it does smell very much like a spicy cream cheese. Yeah, cream cheese with chili stuff on it. Yeah, this is really what this smells of and looks like. So I guess it fits the theme. Not necessarily something I would have expected from South Africa, but yeah, here we go. I guess it's genuine enough for McDonald's. Let's see what this looks like when we break it through. Yeah, just looks like regular chicken McNuggets. Let's go for the taste test then. There is a bit of garlic flavor. No, they are. No, I like this. They've got a certain pepper sting to them. They do have this garlicky flavor, this sensation in the mouth. I like them. It's nice. Yeah. They should always be like this. Yeah. See what the chicken McNugget all by itself tastes of. Yeah, it's got the regular texture, but some of the flavor is also seeping into the little McNugget. That's not only the breading that it's in. Okay, very nice. Decent spiciness to them. Yeah, they should always be like this. Love them. So let's go for the sauce here. Yeah, no, this really reminds me of these spicy cream cheeses. This is just what this is like. Yeah. Is this how you usually eat the sauce? With the breading of a chicken McNugget? I don't know about you, but I do. At least in this instance. I'd be just a bit gross. Not that I'm not gross any other time, but let's go for the taste test with just the sauce. Okay, There is a surprisingly strong spiciness to the sauce. I like it. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of the whole like creamy chili sauce stuff. I'm not a great fan of these spicy cream cheeses, I would say. But I see what they're going for, and I guess they did a decent job at that. In conjunction with these garlic pepper McNuggets, it's actually quite nice. Yeah. Let's go for another one. That's a surprisingly good combination. Quite a spicy one too. No, still not a huge fan of the sauce with the creaminess of it, but yeah, they did what they said they would do. And one of the last sauce that I took a look at from McDonald's, the black pepper and soy sauce, was meh. This one here is actually really nice. Nom nom nom. It's getting a bit too disgusting, I suppose. No. But yeah, the sauce is what it is, and it's pretty good at what it is. And the nuggets, they're just how they are supposed to be. Let's say it again. This is how the chicken McNuggets should always be. Slight spiciness to it from the pepper. A bit of that garlicky flavor. Scent and sensation. Yeah. Really good. Really good. Okay. I think for this little combo review, I will also skip the review sheet. I will give these individual ratings now. So the garlic pepper chicken McNuggets. They have been the best like chicken McNuggets I've ever had, and very good nuggets at that. I would actually give them a 9 out of 10. It would be nicer if the actual meat was a bigger piece. But the breading is really good, flavor-wise, and also like overall like crunch-wise and everything. Also very pleasant, yeah. 9 out of 10 for the chicken McNuggets garlic pepper, Japan style. And the Peri Peri style sauce gets, from me, an 8 out of 10. I think it could be a bit more creamy, saucy, judging from the name, because it's called the Peri Peri style sauce, right? This right here, texture-wise, reminded me more of a like cream cheese than a sauce necessarily, but still, this gets a 7 out of 10, because I think overall they did really well with the amount of spiciness in here. It does have a definite decent amount of spice to it, and flavor-wise it was okay too. Yeah, and this is also where I'm going to end this particular video. I'm happy with these two items, and feel free to let me know if you were too, if you have had them before. In any case, if you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then,